So how to change the headlights on Nissan Versa? You can see this one, the driver's side is out. There's a plug in there, pull it out. This is what it looks like. There's like 3 prongs in there. You see 1, 2, 3. Okay, just pull that one out. I pull it out that way. And then there's a boot, the rubber boot. Take that one out. That's what it looks like. Okay, just work it out. And then you see there's a clip on that headlight. This is old school. You just push the clip and move it out of the way. So I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna push both of the clip on the side. You see it's out of the way. And you pull them out. And then right there, voila, I pull it out. I'm gonna put one new one in. You can see the link on the description where I got this from. And right there, I'm gonna install this one. You see, make sure you push the clip both sides in to install this. So this is the setup. I'm gonna make your life easy. You put the plug inside the boot, okay? The plug inside the boot. And then you put it inside. You push it in on the wall, okay? Work it around. Make sure it's flush. Make sure it's not moving. We're gonna test it out. You see, it's on. We're in business. Passenger side is on. Driver side is on. The police not gonna mess with us.